the storm and driven by the wind. The rain tree blooms with passion in the night, never to be seen in the early morning light. How many times did I say to myself, I gotta get away, this is killing me? How many times did I look in her eyes and see the man I long to be? The only time we show our love is when our passions rise. Then rain falls like teardrops and the lightning fills the sky. Our love is like the rain tree, strange and mystic thing, fashioned by the storm and carried on the wind. Oh, the rain tree blooms with fire in the night, never to be seen in the early morning light. How could I tell that she needed me when she never had a word to say? We hide our love beyond the stars, never see the light of day. Longing rules our very souls with passion burning bright. We surrender to the darkness and come together in the night. Oh, the rain tree, a rare and precious thing, beloved of the storm and born upon the wind. The rain tree, it only blooms at night, never to be seen in the early morning light. And the night goes on forever, the rain like diamonds veiled in her hair. In the dark sky, stars are falling like sacred fire in the air. And the night goes on forever, the rain like diamonds veiled in her hair. In the dark sky, stars are falling like sacred fire in the air. And the night goes on forever, the rain like diamonds veiled in her hair. Raindrops in her hair. In the dark sky, stars are falling like sacred fire in the air. Our love is like